guys, so my dad came yesterday and he helped me with building this, and now I can hang my clothes up there too, so more space. Like I'm switching everything around every time. Look how much space there is. This looks also very spacious though. Yeah, it's coming together a bit. Hey guys, welcome back to the second moving vlog 1 month or 2 months later. So I'm sitting in bed and I'm just gonna show you guys some changes. I'm gonna start off with the washing machine area. If you haven't watched the first one, make sure to check it out. Yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen this already, but ta-da! Someone suggested this, so I just bought it. Super cheap from IKEA. And then these curtains, these were actually 3 meters long, but I cut it myself. It's still a bit too long, but you know, it gets the job done and it looks so much better than before. Yeah, I put some extra boxes on top. And here's the washing machine and the closet. These cushions are new though. Got it from yesstyle, and the cushion, the pillow inside is from IKEA. It's like a very cheap one, but I got 2 of those. And in this area, I said I would get like a book. I have like this book, but I don't like the aesthetic of this book. This is like the idea I had in mind. I don't know, looks better than before. Then the biggest change of the bedroom area is, wow, got a stick. It's filled with clothes now, and my clothing racks are downstairs. I also have a new lamp from IKEA, but other side still need to put lamp. And then downstairs, okay, wait. So downstairs today I'm getting new furniture from IKEA. I ordered another big mirror, a table for my DJ controller, because the situation is very sad now. And oh, a new chair. So I'm very excited to receive that in a bit. This is the downstairs area. Yeah, not much has changed, but today we're having some changes finally. I was also about to receive my new dining table, but it got delayed. So this is the DJ station. I don't even want to show it. This is the inside thing from my TV, the packaging, and this one actually belongs below there. So the new dining table I ordered is like 2 meters. I've been searching tables for I think 2 months, and I just couldn't find the perfect dining table. So I decided to buy like a table leaf. I ordered 2 table leaves. I think that's how you call it. And then my dad and me are gonna make my own table custom made. I was expecting the dining table to come today, but it has delayed and I'm sad. But you know, can't complain. I still have a table. And then the kitchen, not much has changed. Oh, I put my play button here and some candles. I started to burn the candle because I was starting to feel lonely and I wanted to have like candles, so they don't look good anymore. And look how cute this sponge is. It's from yesstyle. I swear everything, almost everything. When my friends are coming over, I always say half of the kitchen is like yesstyle stuff. This is also from yesstyle. They just sell like a lot of brands, different brands on the website, so it's like a warehouse-ish. This cabinet is also yesstyle. And look at these fancy ass wine glasses. Cute. And of course, my metal straws, also from yesstyle. So decoration wise, I put some soju bottles on top of my kitchen. And at night I have like a light strip, and I always put the green one on, and then they pop, and it's cute. So, you know, gotta be creative with decoration. So yeah, well, let's just continue the house tour, shall we? This is like the open storage room. If you walk past here, it's empty. And then this is the hallway. Okay, so I put my 2 clothing racks here. I have my jackets here. This is for guests. Okay, so here I used to have that mirror over here, but I moved it to take pictures for it. Gonna put my new mirror here. This I also have for my jackets. And this is the bathroom area. I haven't showed it to you guys, but it's just a very simple bathroom. Shout out to my friends from Amsterdam. They gifted pool drop and this soap. I haven't opened it yet. You guys, it smells so good. This is also from yesstyle. I sticked it to the wall and it's very sturdy. I got 2 here and 2 there, 1 for hand, 1 for my face. And that's basically a quick update on current apartment situation. Still very empty here. Apartment update.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? I might put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? I might put some spotlight on the side. Yeah, whatever comes too
I built the table.
all this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part. We see the lights that got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it without. It's on the wrist of like a charm. Layer was still in like a part. Like we could die all young.
Good morning, guys. I'm sitting on my new chair. This is so much better for my back. This is the final, well, not final, but almost finished DJ setup thing. I put the mirror here so I can still see a bit of the kitchen when I walk around, and it looks a bit bigger now. Some updates about my dining table. So it came in, well, in the store, and my parents were kind enough to pick it up, but they checked and it was just not good. Only the outside ring was like thick, and then the inside was just like a small plate, so mission failed. So that means I have to look for another table again. I swear. Finding a table takes a lot of time if you're a very indecisive person and if you're very picky. So no dining table in this vlog, unfortunately, but I will get something for the hallway, like a little couch that I will get and I will put here. It's like a fluffy couch, and it looks, I think it will look very cute. velvet, and it looks so poofy. I like this. Let's see how it will look in the hallway. How does it look? I should cover that storage thing. Now I can sit while doing my shoes. When you walk in, see this? Now I can sit here and chill. I think I will use this as my couch. Okay guys, I think this is the last thing I will put in my vlog, last furniture. I'm kind of bummed about the dining table because I was also expecting it to be in the vlog, but maybe next time I will look for another dining table very soon and then keep you guys updated. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this moving vlog. Let me know what I should do here. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!